As the sea temperature rises, Taiwan's northeast coast may potentially become an important habitat for coral migration in the global warming crisis. In 2023, Delta partnered with the National Museum of Marine Science and Technology to establish the Chaojing Coral Conservation Center. The goal is to preserve 20 internationally recognized endangered coral species within 3 years. The high-efficiency coral farming systems utilize Delta Plant Factory's LED lighting and automation technology to simulate a suitable underwater environment. By providing suitable illumination, water temperature, and nutrients, we can increase the coral growth rate by over 40% compared to the natural environment. The center operates on 100% renewable energy. It utilizes Delta's industrial and building automation technology to provide the best environment for the corals. Our conservation efforts are dedicated to ensuring the stable growth of coral species that need protection, waiting for the day they can return to the sea.